In this video, we will see how to enter a goodwill on Opera. The principle in Opera is to enter the goodwill on the holder entity. In our example, the holder is MOM, and the owned one is Apple. To enter the goodwill, click on the Manual Entries. Then click on New. You must now enter a code and the description. In my example, I will enter the code GOODWILL and the description, Goodwill Apple. You must then choose the RET ledger, which corresponds to the retreatment entries. You should not use the no REP ledger, which is used only for non-carry forward. In the manual entry module, you must select the holding entity. In my example, this is the MOM entity. Choose the 3RET05 audit that corresponds to goodwill. If you make a mistake in the audit, the retreatment will not occur. There is no deferred tax on goodwill. You should not check Apply Deferred Taxation. Select account A209. Select the flow FO1. Debit the amount of goodwill. In this example, the amount is €10,000. Then select account P107R. To enter the goodwill counterpart, enter flow FO1. Enter the amount of €10,000 at the credit. Then click on the green ball to allocate the goodwill to the entity held. Enter the amount of €10,000 on Apple. After the run of your consolidation, the impact on reserves entered on the P107R account will be transferred to the held entity, Apple, under the P10610 account. When the entry is completed, click on Validate to check the entry. Now you can run your consolidation. To visualize the impact of your entry, press the Retrieval button. Click the Balance Sheet by Flow. You can view your entry at the intersection of A209 and FO1. By clicking on the Switch to by Audit Entity button, you can view your entry. Click on the Liabilities tab to see the counterpart on the reserves. Click on the plus. Go to the crossing of account P10610 and flow FO1. Switch to a Detail Audit Entity button. You see the impact of your entry on the Apple reserves. The impact on reserves entered on the P107R account has been transferred to the held entity, Apple, under the P10610 account. To ensure the balance of the P10610 and A209 accounts, Opera uses a link account. This is the P107L. You can view the entry by positioning on the crossing of the P107L and the flow FO1, and then by clicking on Switch to Detail Audit Entity button. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon on the Opera channel.